In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. I hope that everyone is in good health. Well, students, I'm your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. Let me tell you about day and date. Today is 9th of December 2020 and day is Wednesday. Okay, today is 9th of December 2020 and day is Wednesday. Let's move ahead to see the topic of today's lecture. It's unit number 10, Adil and Gold Chain. It's unit number 10, Adil and the Gold Chain. यानी कि यूनिट 10 एंड और जो यूनिट नेम है वो है आदिल और गोल्ड चेन. Okay, by name you must be familiar with it as we have already read in our last previous lectures. And the topic is words meanings and words sentences. Okay, today we are going to do words meanings and the sentences related to the unit 10. Okay, let's move ahead. Here you can see the initial picture of Adil and the gold chain. Let me give you a short short theme of the whole story. Actually, what was in the story. Okay, the main character of Adil and the gold chain is Adil and the gold chain basically. Okay, that's why its name is Adil and gold chain, because Adil in this picture you can see that Adil who is cleaning his cycle, and Adil's mom who is asking Adil that I'm going to the market to get some vegetables, but she forgot her bag behind there. Okay, and then Adil said, oh my god, my mom forgot her bag here at home, so I must catch my mom and in a minute or two. Okay, so when Adil followed her mother and he saw that his mother was talking with two men. Okay, and suddenly he saw that those two men actually stole the or snatched the gold chain of his mother, and his mother started to shout. Okay, and then he started to paddle the cycle as fast as he can, and he started to follow those two stealers, and यानी कि उन दो चोरों का उसने पीछा करना शुरू कर दिया. एट लास्ट आदिल सक्सीड टू सी दैट वेयर दोज टू स्टॉलर, यानी कि वो दो जो चोर थे उन्होंने कहाँ पे वेयर डिड दे हाइड द गोल्ड चेन. ठीक है, सो दे हिट द गोल्ड चेन बिहाइंड द क्लोक, एंड देन आदिल वेंट टू द पुलिस स्टेशन एंड कॉल्ड two men from the police station. One was the inspector and the other one was the constable, and then they became successful to caught the thief. Okay, वो चोरों को पकड़ने में कामयाब हो गए थे. Okay, students, and here you go, you can see here first of all the words meanings in front of you. You can see the words meanings. Number one is crept. 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 Crept meaning moved slowly, यानी कि आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से चलना. Crept meaning moved slowly, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से चलना. Number two is the escape. Escape. Escape meaning to get away, यानी कि बच जाना, बच के कहीं और चले जाना. टू गेट अवे, दूर हो जाना. नंबर थ्री यू कैन सी हियर GRABBED. ग्रैब्ड. ग्रैब्ड मीनिंग होल्ड, किसी चीज़ को पकड़ लेना. ठीक है, ग्रैब्ड मीनिंग होल्ड. नंबर लास्ट इज द नंबर फोर्थ इज immediately. Immediately, IMMEDIATE. Immediately meaning at once, जल्दी से. Okay, at once. Alright students, you have to take out your notebooks. On your notebooks you have to draw the margin lines, and first of all put the date on it and start to write very neat writing, and use the eraser as well, but don't use eraser too much that you're going to rip off your page. Okay, so draw the margin line and then first of all date it, and then write the unit number, and it's unit 10, and then in the next line write the unit name Adil and the gold chain, and in the third line write the topic what you are going to write. Okay, words meanings. When you have, for the words meanings you have to draw the middle line on the पेज के ऊपर middle line लगानी है and then give the numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now start writing. Crept, moved slowly, escape, to get away, grabbed hold, immediately, at once. Okay, now let's move to the next is the word sentences. Mean you, if you have finished the words meaning on your notebook, so please all of you go to the next page. Don't start your sentences at the end of the words meanings, just finish up and then move to the next page, which is word sentences. Okay, so the same way, draw the margin line on this page and draw the less line for the words and leave a broad line for the sentences. Okay, number one is the PEDALLED, paddled. Number one word is PEDALLED, paddled. Paddled meaning जब हम साइकिलिंग करते हैं ना, तो जहाँ पे हम फीट रखते हैं, where we put our feet to move the cycle, that is called paddle. Okay, and the sentence is Adil paddled as fast as possible. यानी कि आदिल ने इतनी तेज़ी से साइकिल चलाई जितनी कि तेज़ी से वो चला सकता था. आदिल paddled as fast as possible. पैडल्ड मीन्स साइकिल का जो पैडल है उसको तेज़ी से मूव किया. Number 2 is the vegetables. VEGETABLES, vegetables meaning सब्ज़ी, and its sentence is I bought vegetables. मैंने सब्जियाँ खरीदी. ठीक है, I bought vegetables. Number 3 is inspector. INSPECT, or inspector. Inspector sentences the inspector found the chain, यानी कि इंस्पेक्टर ने चेन को ढूंढ लिया. ठीक है, द इंस्पेक्टर फाउंड द चेन, इंस्पेक्टर ने चेन को ढूंढ लिया. Alright students, here you can see the 3 word sentences. You have to first draw the line and then give the number 1 and write the word and then write the sentence. When you finish the sentence of the first word, then go to the next line and give the number 2, write the next word and then write the sentence as well. Okay, alright students, here you go. For today's lecture it's enough. For the words meanings and the sentences, you have to write down the words meaning and the sentences on your notebooks in very neat and clean writing, and the way you have been writing in your class. Okay, the same way you have to follow the pattern. Okay, so take care of yourself. I hope that you enjoyed your lecture. Allah Hafiz.